Vietnam has been named among the world's top countries for high-tech exports. That's according to the latest Global Innovation Index from the World Intellectual Property Organization.
And this report also shows that high-tech products now make up more than 36% of Vietnam's total trade value.
Now, put another way, over a third of the country's export revenue already comes from high-tech products, everything from electronics to advanced manufacturing. And experts say that a strong base is helping Vietnam cement its role in global supply chains.
Vietnamese companies are increasingly participating in the global high-tech value chain. Products such as electronic circuit boards used in smart devices, electrical equipment, and educational tools are gaining popularity worldwide.
We mainly participate as contract manufacturers for multinational corporations. From this foundation, we will have future opportunities to build our own brands in international markets.
Electronics are also Vietnam's top export to the U.S., and major American corporations are ready to involve Vietnam more deeply in their supply chains.
With the ongoing shift of supply chains and expanding investment in Vietnam, the country is well positioned to participate more deeply in the supply chains. Vietnam is working proactively with U.S. businesses to ensure high-tech supply chains to the U.S.
In addition to leading the world in high-tech exports, Vietnam also ranks among the top countries in high-tech imports at 29.4%, sharing the position with Hong Kong, China.
Imports are mainly machinery and equipment for production and business activities. The top imported categories include computers, electronic products and components, and machinery and equipment. These are also among Vietnam's top export categories.
These achievements are the result of preferential policies for high-tech enterprises in Vietnam, including tax incentives, land rent exemptions, financial support for large projects, special incentives for the semiconductor and chip industry, and support for human resource development, all of which are proving effective.